Hello and welcome back. I hope everyone's doing well as we end this second week of June. I just wanted to quickly flip through some charts as a quick recap here. For the most part, I've been looking at this megaphone pattern on the Dow Jones. You can see that we're finishing in the red here, similar to last February. If we look at the NASDAQ's taking another leg up in La La Land. If we check out David Hunter though, here on Twitter, a couple of these tweets gave some better clarity to this picture. He says, growth, tech, and biotech are emerging from consolidation. Should see moves for the FANG and semiconductor stocks, and also continued commodities and industrials. Financials and energy stocks are due for a rest, so this makes a lot of sense looking at the Dow. He also says that oil's had a run for now, and we'll see some weakness. Flipping over to the Russell 2000. This is not a chart I have followed too closely, but you can see in the chart there's been a lot of consolidation. And David is expecting a higher high on this one as well. He also noted that gold is going to be taking another run. I'm going to show you that real quick. Whether we compare it to an accumulation or distribution chart in the Wyckoff market cycle, you can see we're about here forming this shoulder. Looking at this gold chart, looking at this upper resistance line in this channel, we have about 35% to go and possibly more if this tests outside beyond the resistance. This is definitely something to watch for in the coming couple of weeks. It's interesting to see that the Dow Jones seems to be leading this collapse. Let's look at the S&P. Looks like we should see little to no movement on this chart in the next coming week. Please keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. These are purely my opinions and evaluations of these charts. Looking at the VIX Volatility Chart, which is the inverse of the S&P 500, it looks like we still have a little ways to go on this down, which we can see from the S&P chart that it looked like we were going to show little to no movement in the coming week or two. I had drawn this ellipse of where I saw this pattern forming and this higher low being established from here. If we look at the VXX, this is a compounding chart, but also the inverse of the S&P. And you can see we're probably going to get pushed down even further, possibly below $20, which is crazy because once this takes off, we're basically loading rocket fuel right now. Everybody take care and have a great weekend. See you next time. Thanks for watching.